Welcome to our Friday PD, and here's the link that will, or the slide deck that's going to link to all of the things that you should need for today. You can view it in this format, and the links will still work. It's a little bit different. You'd have to kind of click on here, and then you can see it kind of pop up there. I do recommend putting it into slideshow to make it a little bit easier. If you click on this link, it's going to bring you back to this video to play again. It's going to show you how to navigate through all these things. If you click on any of these, it's going to bring you to the page that's going to have all the other links that you need on that topic. This will stay forever, so if you ever want to come back to something, if you worked on Build Fact Fluency today, but then you want to work on letters on another day, or you want to come back to some curriculum committee links, you can always get back to them through here. So if I click on the Build Fact Fluency, it's going to bring me to that page. If I click on here, then I'm going to get linked to videos that I am going to try and create that is going to help you to navigate some of the websites that we linked to. I click on here, it's going to bring me right to that page. If I want to get back to the home page where all of the links are, I'm going to click the Home Sweet Home button, and it's going to bring me right back here. I hope this helps. Enjoy your Friday PD.